save time, I already set up, I already found the monthly payment for this example. It's the same one that I have the PowerPoint summary of. We're taking out a loan for $135,000 at 5.75% interest for 30 years. Our monthly payment is $787.82. So we have a column here for payment amount. Now notice I put in all my titles, and then I have a whole blank row except I put in my balance, my $135,000. That's what I'm starting with. Then in month 1, I'm going to make this monthly payment of $787.82. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that every single month. So I want to hit equals and then that cell reference. But I want to put a $sign in front of the B and in front of the 5 before I press enter. What that does is when I control and drag or highlight and drag it all the way down, it's going to stay at cell B5. It's not going to move to the next cell. So we'll always reference cell B5 in that column. So I'm going to press enter, and then like I just said, I'm going to highlight my cells and then hit Control D, and there we go. There's my payment amount. That's going to stay the same every single time. Now your interest equals, everything is a formula here, is based off of your balance from your previous month. So notice no $signs there, because as you pay something off, your balance is going to change. So it's cell F8 times your APR, and that we do want to use $signs for, because APR is never going to change. It is a fixed rate, and we want to divide that by the number of payments in a year, cell B2. And that's how we're going to calculate the amount paid in interest every month. Notice I put $signs there because the APR is not going to change, and the number of months in a year, the number of times a year you make that payment, is also not going to change. So I press enter there as well, and there's the amount that I pay in interest. Now to figure out my principal equals, we're just going to take whatever the monthly payment is and subtract the amount you pay in interest. Notice neither one of those gets the $sign permanent reference, because the amount you pay in interest is going to decrease every month, and it's okay if this goes C9, C10, C11, C12, because it's all the same number going all the way down. So press enter. And then finally we need to calculate our new balance. Equals, take our previous balance minus the amount that you pay in principal that month, so we only subtract the principal. Press enter, and so after 1 month you have $134,859.05 left. Now, once you've entered your formulas once, that's it. Now notice how I've highlighted the remainder of that rectangle. I'm just going to hit Control D, and obviously this was not for 30 years. I only went 18 months, which is a year and a half. But you can see things changing over time. We pay less and less and less in interest. We pay more towards the principal, and if I did continue this table for 30 years, eventually our new balance would be equal to 0. We would be paying very little in principal or in interest, and most of our payment would be going towards the principal.